Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Umul Public School online classes. It is your English lecture and this lecture is for grade 5. Our topic is conjunction and I am your teacher Miss Anna. So let's start our topic. First of all, we are going to learn what is a conjunction. A conjunction is like glue. It helps things to stick together. A conjunction join words, phrases and sentences which are called clauses. What is a conjunction? We will continue it. Conjunction join two or more words. For example, I went to store to buy eggs, milk, and bread. As you can see, I have underlined the word add. So add is a conjunction. Now move to the next one. What is conjunction? It continues. Conjunction can join two prepositional phrases. I went skiing down the hill and past the trees. Conjunction is also use connect to collect two clauses and sentences. When two sentences are joined, a comma must be placed before the conjunction. For example, I play cards for a while, but then I played chess. As you can see, after a while there is a comma. What are the types of conjunction? One type of conjunction is coordinating conjunction. They connect word, phrases, and clauses which are sentences. They connect things of equal value. This means they would connect a noun with another noun or a prepositional phrase with another prepositional phrase. Types of conjunction. There are 7 coordinating conjunction. Use fan word terms to remember. For, F, and, a, nor, and, but, we, or, O, yet, Y, so, S. When we take first letter of all these words, these will become fanboys. So it will be easy for you to remember coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions affect the meaning of your sentence and can add connect things that are alike or joined together. Example, I want popcorn and pizzas. Okay. Coordinating conjunction affect the meaning of your sentence but is used to connect things that are different or separated. I want popcorn but not pizza. I am explaining coordinating conjunction or is used to offer a choice. Do I want a popcorn or a pizza? I have a choice between these two. Okay. Next one is nor is used to offer a negative choice. Example, I do not want popcorn nor pizza. Yet is used to show a change. When it is used to combine two sentences, you must put a comma before it. I want popcorn, comma, yet I also want pizza. Other type is so, is used to show a relationship between things. When it is used to combine two sentences, you must put a comma before it. I want popcorn, so I made some. After popcorn, there is a comma. For is used to show a relationship between things. When it is used to combine two sentences, you must put a comma before it. I ordered a pizza, comma, for I was hungry. Another type of conjunction is called correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions connect word, phrases, and clauses which are sentences. Correlative conjunctions connect things to equal value. This means that they will connect a verb with any other verb or a sentence with another sentence. As you know, we are learning conjunctions. So correlative conjunctions are not single words. They work in pair. There are 5 pairs of correlative conjunctions. Number one, both and, whether or, neither nor, not only but also, either or. Example of correlative conjunction. I don't know whether to play baseball or to play basketball this year. Next one is either the student or the teacher can answer the question. Not only do I play the flute, but I also play the clarinet. So, this was our lecture for today. If you have any kind of question, you can contact me. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care, Allah Hafiz.